Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 notification for District Coordinator in Agronomies. Last date is on 30 March 2024. So Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 notifications. Meghalaya invites application for the post of District Coordinator in Agronomies. So the deadline of application is on 30th of March 2024. Here are the post name: District Coordinator in Agronomies. Number of posts multiple. Location in West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and the Eastern West Khasi Hills. Salary will be based on experience. Eligibility criteria or qualification should be possess BSc or MSc in agriculture or agronomy with 2-year plus experience in related field. And please note that only the people who reside in West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and the Eastern West Khasi Hills district are eligible to apply. And how to apply for Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 District Coordinator in Agronomies. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the given link. The application deadline is 30th of March 2024.